I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Colanote and picking a target page. Make sure the canvas settings match your task. Once done, tap the pen and choose a color and thickness, 1. 5 is a versatile start that enables scribble or handwriting mode so strokes register as ink. Try a short mark to confirm input and latency. If strokes lag, close background apps. Now you're ready to draw directly. Position the stylus, anchor your wrist, and start a simple shape to build confidence. You'll now execute the core workflow. Draw diagrams, annotations, or notes using pressure and tilt to add expressiveness, and switch to highlighter for emphasis. Once you've written, use the lasso to select strokes you want to move, resize, or group. This keeps layouts tidy. When conversion is needed, tap Convert to transform handwriting into editable text or clean vector shapes. Review suggestions and edit characters before accepting. Make sure layers are ordered so highlights don't obscure ink. Finish by reviewing your page, flattening or merging layers if required, then export to PDF or PNG and sync with your cloud account. Confirm resolution and page range. If you want edits later, save incremental copies or use version history. If conversion or strokes look wrong, recalibrate the pen, switch the scribble setting off and on, or change recognition language. These fixes usually resolve mismatches. If problems persist, clear cache or restart Colanote before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.